Hello everyone. For the second time, Jason Samla, Balang Chris Smith Church of Christ Youth Fellowships brought you the second annual Youth Trekking Day to Laitlum Grand Canyon. This is the beautiful place and tourist destination which people all over India as well as the whole world come and witness the beautiful scenery made by our magic god. These youths and children is under the leadership of our elder Mr. J.P. Karmajai. He guide them to this beautiful place to see and witness by themselves this beautiful canyon which is made by our magic god for the benefit of his peoples. So really a nice and wonderful day that our kids have really enjoyed this trekking. Meanwhile, the journey on this day mostly cover 15 to 18 kilometers. Our feet is really tired, but we never gave up until we reach there. If we didn't come on this day, we really miss it for the whole life. Until then, we'll meet on the next episode. So, stay safe and God bless you all.